Hi, boys and girls. It's time for the mystery blending game. As we play this game today, I want you to think about the fact that when we talk, sounds mix together or blend to make words. So I'm going to say some sounds, and I want you to see if you can figure out and blend the sounds to make a word. Here we go. Listen to the sounds. I, t. If you hear it, put your thumb by your heart. If you're trying but you can't quite hear it, thumb sideways. Again. I, t. This means to say it to someone or to yourself. And if you said night, you are correct. Let's take a look at the letters that spell night. IGH is a pattern in English that is 3 letters, spelling one sound. T, night. Listen for the next word. This time it's only 2 sounds. Here we go. K, E. One more time. K, E. If you said key, you are right. And let's take a look at the sound pictures for key. K is the letter K. E is EY, and EY mixes together to be E. Key. Next word. Listen carefully. R, I, S, T. I see that some of you can hear it, and some of you are trying, not quite, you can't hear it quite yet, but almost. Here we go. R, I, S, T. Say it. If you said wrist, you are right. And this is your wrist. Everybody point to your wrist right now. Let's take a look at the sound pictures for wrist. R, W-R, 2 letters, 1 sound, spells R. I, S, T, wrist. 2 more words. Listen carefully. Here we go. D, A, G. Do you hear what word those sounds blend together to make? Or almost? One more time. D, A, G. And look at this adorable Poochie. D, A, G. Notice in this word, each sound is spelled with 1 letter. This is a little easier to spell because of that. And our last mystery word for today, let's see if you can all get it. B, U, K. Do you hear it? Or almost hear it? One more time. B, U, K. Say it loudly. Did you say book? This is one of my favorite words. And if you said book, of course, you're right. Let's take a look at the spelling of book. B, U, 2 O's mixed together to be U, K, book. That's the end of the mystery blending game today. But I want you to talk a little bit about this word book with your family. Talk about with your family, what is your favorite book and why? Thank you for blending today. See you soon.